A little lounge area on my floor. And this is the free laundry services. Free. More towels and linen if needed. You can cook your own food if you want to. Nice little coffee setup. For shit if she start acting distant, cause pain is a thing that affects how we live in. Depression is real, but no fucks are given. These niggas are tripping. So y'all know I had to hit you with the room tour, but this just isn't any room tour. This is my room at the Ronald McDonald house. And when I tell y'all, I already know that this is an amazing program. I mean, they gave me a whole diaper bag full of stuff for my grandbaby. They got food. They'll feed all of us. Free laundry. Free food all day. Free Y passes. Everything you see and more is free. So freaking amazing. I can't wait to donate back to them. Look, this is something I really love. They don't even put the sheets on the bed. They let you do that so you know they fresh. That's a plug. Now let's see what's in KJ's bag before I take it to him. I think I brought my phone holder, but I haven't pulled it out. Oh no. Do I want to unpack all his stuff? Oh, that is beautiful. They got him a throw, a beer. Now I'm getting him a bunny for Easter. A book, and a scented teething toy. Interesting. Oh, just overjoyed right now. And I got about 45 minutes before they'll let me see him, because at the time I got here and got checked in, they're doing shift change. So I will try to get you guys a little more footage of here. They give you cleaning supplies. And basically, I could be here as long as I needed to. But unfortunately, I'm just here till Monday. And then Nana got to go back to work. So that's the room tour. Look, there's a journal that people wrote in. And of course, I'm going to write in it too. I have to find a pen, but this is probably what I'll read when I come in tonight. And then I'll add my own before I check out. I woke up to my own Easter basket. My God. Too cool.